In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change sales tax rates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're adjusting for new tax regulations, updating rates for specific regions, or simply keeping your records accurate, managing your sales tax settings in QuickBooks Online is an essential part of staying compliant and organized. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the main dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel. This panel is your primary navigation tool within QuickBooks, and it's where you'll find everything you need to manage your business finances. Next, locate and click on the Taxes tab in the left-hand panel. This will open up a submenu with additional options. From here, select the option labeled Sales Tax. This will take you to the section where you can manage all things related to your sales tax settings. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see an option called Sales Tax Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your custom sales tax rates are listed. It's a good idea to take a moment to review this list and ensure everything looks up to date before making changes. Once you've reviewed the list, identify the specific sales tax rate you need to update. Scroll through the list until you find the one you're looking for. When you've located it, you'll see an Edit button next to that tax rate. Click on the Edit button to open the Edit window. In the Edit window, you can now update the sales tax rate with the new information. Carefully enter the updated rate, double-checking for accuracy to avoid any issues down the line. After you've made the changes, take another moment to review the updated information and confirm that everything is correct. The good news is that QuickBooks Online will automatically save any changes you make here, so there's no need to worry about manually saving them. Once you've reviewed everything, you're all set. And that's it. Your sales tax rate has been successfully updated. Keeping your sales tax settings accurate ensures your invoices and reports stay compliant and error-free. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.